Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here again tonight on Thursday, October 19th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you're all ready for some technical analysis here again tonight, so let's get started. Let's take a look at our Q's daily chart as we always do to see what happened here. Okay, so now as you can see, we were not strong enough to break through the 68.25 area of resistance that we talked about yesterday, as well as that 50-day moving average that is at 68.42. We were trying to push it all the way up there, but we never made it there, and we pulled back down here today on pretty significant volume. Okay, so we are dropping here today big time on really high volume. And the other interesting thing here is that we are closing slightly below the 8 moving average, which is here in green. And also the other important thing here is that we are closing the day above the 67.20 area support. So what I see happening here right now, we are in the middle of the downtrend right here between those two areas, the area of resistance up here in blue and the area of support down here in blue that you see on my chart. And the other thing is that we are caught up inside those moving averages. I don't like this, okay? The other interesting thing and very important thing is that we are at support at this moment. You see that black trend line coming up? Yeah. This is a very significant area that I really want you to pay close attention to. Make sure you have it on your chart because it's really important, because if we do ever break through the 67.20 and also that area of support down here, which is at about 66.90 mark, and then close the day below both of them, we could be in trouble and we could head all the way down to that next area of support down here, which is at about 66.30. Okay, so pay close attention to all those areas of support and resistance. And the other thing I want you to pay close attention to tomorrow is that upper area of resistance up here, 68.25. All right, so now let's move down and let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is still in a bearish territory. As we talked about here yesterday, even though we were pointing north on the MACD, confirming that little bounce off of a significant area of support, but we were still in a bearish territory, remaining below the zero line, and that's where we're at here again today. We're starting to turn back south again, and we are still below the zero line in the bearish territory. So keep that in mind and watch the MACD really closely and make sure it's confirming every significant moves that we see on the chart, okay? And then the volume. I cannot stress it enough how important it is to look for spikes in volume. That's what we see here again today. So we could see a little bit of a continuation to the downside, but watch those areas of support and resistance here really closely. And then also make sure you pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation and look for spikes in volume. All right, yeah, hope you enjoyed the little class here tonight. Safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back again in class tomorrow.